Tommy and Lily found a magic pencil, but they made one terrible mistake. They drew something that was never supposed to exist. Some things should never be drawn.
Wow, it's so big and so pretty.
Welcome to our home, kids.
Let's go inside.
Tommy and Lily walked inside the old house. Creak went the wooden floor. Dusty books. The children looked around in amazement.
At the end of a long hallway, Tommy and Lily saw an old wooden door. It was locked. A small sign said storage room. The children looked at each other. They were curious. Heavy rain began to fall. Grandma and Grandpa slept peacefully in the living room. Then they whispered.
Should we explore the room?
Very quietly, Tommy and Lily walked into the dark hallway. They held their flashlights tightly, sounded very loud. The children felt curious and a little excited. Tommy slowly reached for the old door. He turned the handle, Lily beside him. The door opened, dust floated through the air, and inside, a dark storage room waited. Tommy and Lily stepped inside. Old furniture stood everywhere. White sheets covered the chairs. Dusty books. They had never seen a room like this before. Soon, Tommy and Lily began to play hide-and-seek in old storeroom. They hid behind old furniture. They tried not to laugh. The strange room suddenly felt a little magical. Suddenly, the desk shook. And then, an old velvet box fell down.
Thump! The little red velvet box landed on the dusty floor. What was inside? They did not know. Tommy carefully opened the velvet box. Very slowly. Tommy and Lily stared in complete disbelief.
The pencil was beautiful. It had golden wood. Strange symbols glowed on its side. And there was no eraser.
Tommy found a blank piece of paper. He held the golden pencil. What would happen if he drew something?
Tommy began to draw. Round, he drew a simple apple with magic pencil. Lily watched closely. They are in old storeroom. She was very curious.
Suddenly, the drawing began to glow. Blue light danced across the paper. The lines rose into the air. And then, something amazing happened.
Pop! A real red apple appeared. It rolled across the desk. Tommy and Lily opened their eyes wide. They could not believe it. It was magic!
Now it was Lily's turn. She held the golden pencil. With a big smile, she drew a beautiful orange butterfly.
The drawing began to shine. The blue lines lifted from the paper. And suddenly, a real butterfly flew into the air. Lily smiled with wonder. Tommy wanted to try again. This time, he drew shiny gold coins. Flash! The coins appeared and fell onto the table. Tommy held the golden pencil tightly. He looked at Lily. A big smile appeared on his face. Tommy had a very big idea. But Lily did not smile. She looked nervous. She held her hands together. Then she looked at the dark corners of the room. Something did not feel right. Tommy began to draw. He drew a large, shadowy creature with a magic pencil. It had sharp ears, glowing eyes. Lily watched. Her face became pale. She felt afraid. Suddenly, the room became very cold. On the walls, Tommy stopped drawing. Lily frightened. Something was wrong. Then, the drawing began to rise. Higher and higher. A huge shadow creature came alive. Its red eyes began to glow. Step. The creature moved forward. Step. Its heavy foot hit the floor. They were terrified. Tommy and Lily slowly moved backward. Behind them was the locked door. In front of them, the shadow creature came closer. They were trapped. Lily looked around desperately. Then she saw something. Near an old easel, there was a blank canvas. Lily suddenly had an idea. Suddenly, the golden pencil shone brightly, brighter and brighter. Golden light filled the entire room. The magic.
Tommy ran to the canvas. Quickly, he grabbed the golden pencil. He drew thick iron bars with magic pencil around the creature.
The creature attacked the bars. Again and again, the black creature began to disappear. It melted into black ink on the floor.
Finally, the room became silent. Tommy and Lily stood the old storeroom. They were not excited. They felt fear and respect.
Tommy placed the golden pencil back inside the red velvet box. Then he hid the box deep inside.
They decided they will never play with it.
Some secrets are exciting, but some secrets are too powerful to be discovered.